So I don't know why we don't like this dirty word called money.
Mindset about money has to first change is what I think,
Yeah.
right? Like, don't feel that making money is bad, and it should be something legal.
You are solving people's problems.
Yes.
Yeah, you're helping people solve their problems, and you're getting paid in return for that. Is that wrong? So one of the most common objections that I keep hearing from people is, I want to start a business, but I don't want to sell.
It's crazy. I tell you, I taught meditation for many, many years. What do you think I did? I used to go giving presentations, talking to people, calling my friends, sending messages. That's selling.
That's selling.
Doctors sell their product, like what they do. Lawyers sell. Who doesn't sell?
Yeah, where doesn't selling happen?
Exactly.
So when we talk about business, it's all about selling, right?
Yeah.
So either you're selling a product or a service. So
Yeah.
you're doing some selling. That's what is called a business. So like you said, a lot of people come to me and they say that I want to do a business, but I don't want to sell to anybody. So the mindset is when they hear about selling, they think of that pushy sales.
Salesman,
Right?
Yes.
So they think of calling people and annoying them to buy something. That's what people think of selling. So now the time has completely changed.
Yeah.
Right?
Now,
And there are
now we're in 2024.
Yeah.
so we are not doing that anymore, and we don't have to bug people to buy anything. Especially in our business, we are not doing that,
No.
right? So there are digital marketing things now where you can actually put your ads, and the reach of
Phenomenal.
reaching people is completely changed
Yeah,
now, right?
it's
Like
phenomenal.
you can reach a huge audience
Global
now,
audience.
Yes.
and you can get people who are just interested in your product. You don't have to go to people and
No.
tell them like buy my products.
Yeah,
Exactly,
you're
exactly.
a private Facebook, social media, whichever platform you want, advertiser. Private is the key word. But you know, Kavya, you and me were discussing this. What about mothers? We are always selling to our children. You do this, I'll give you that. If you sleep now, then tomorrow we can go out. So, in a sense,
Yeah.
whatever, like you're talking to a friend and saying, go and watch this movie, go to this restaurant.
Yeah, you're selling.
You don't think you're selling when you're working in a job? When
Of course you are.
go attend the interview, what you're saying is you're convincing them that you can do the job, right?
Yes.
And that's what they're paying you for.
Exactly. As an actor, I have given thousands of auditions. What is an audition if not selling yourself?
Selling happens
Selling?
everywhere.
Yeah.
Everywhere.
Yeah.
Selling is everywhere, and you're getting sold also. You are clicking on a lot of ads already and buying a lot of things. They are not coming and bugging you to buy anything,
Exactly,
right?
yeah.
You're getting sold. And what we are just saying is, instead of staying on the other side, come to this side, right? Like come on the side where you can sell to people,
Yes.
right?
Exactly.
Without annoying them, and make some money out of it instead of
Annoying is the key word.
yeah. So
Exactly.
instead of buying things and getting sold, come on the other side and sell to other people and
Yeah.
make some money out of it. And it's not about and again it's not people, again, when they think of selling it, they think when the money is involved, they think that it's something bad. I'm
Yeah.
doing something bad
Yeah.
because I'm selling it to people and
Yeah.
I'm making money. It's not like that, and that mindset has to be changed.
Exactly. I mean, when you recommend a hotel to your friend, what are you doing?
But hello,
Any
we all have to
services.
run our kitchen. And what do we need to run our kitchen? Money. So I don't know why we don't like this dirty word called money.
Yeah.
Let's face it, everybody needs to earn.
Mindset about money has to first change is what I think,
Yeah.
right? Like don't feel that making money is bad, and it should be something legal. That's what we are thinking of. Don't
Yeah.
make something illegally. That's different. But when people are doing something online and making money, a lot of people think of it as a scam or something different, right?
Yeah,
Like they
yeah.
don't want to do that. I don't know why that mindset. So you everybody are doing it, and it's a very ethical way of doing it also. Like you can sell your products to somebody or your services to somebody, and now is the best time for you to do that.
In fact, on this topic, right, I heard somebody say something very interesting, which actually, surprised me very much. He says that you are solving people's problems.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
so the way he said it was, he said, you're doing God's work.
Correct.
You're helping people solve their problems, and you're getting paid in return for that. Is that wrong?
No, it's not. And I'll tell you something. When I went giving meditation presentations, and then later on as an actor, I did auditions, I realized it was the same feeling in my heart.
Correct.
Or talking about anything for that matter. It's that same feeling. You are presenting yourself to another human being to say, come, have a look at this. Maybe it'll work for you. Right?
Yeah.
What's wrong with that?
What's wrong in providing the services,
Exactly.
right? And in
Yeah.
our business, we are changing lives of thousands of people, and
Yeah.
when we see that their lives are changed,
Yeah.
it's a very good feeling.
Yeah.
Even more than the money, you're so proud of what
Yeah,
Yeah.
you've helped somebody. Amazing
It's
feeling.
just a matter of what we think. We decide this thing is not so good. We decide that thing is more noble.
That's
At
right.
the end of the day, we're all selling all the time.
yeah. So yeah, that's about it. So change your mindset from thinking that everything is bad, like especially selling is bad, or it has to be pushy. No, it doesn't have to be pushy. You have a lot of different options now where you can sell to a huge audience also. So come on the other side, explore more, and decide for yourself.
Yeah.
Thank you.